Welcome to the guide on compiling your app source code efficiently. Before you embark on this journey, there are a few prerequisites you need to ensure are in place. Before you start compiling, you should require those things. First of all, your device should have Java JDK 15, Flutter 2.0.1, and Android Studio installed. And for deploying the source code, it will require a vscode IDE. Let's break it down step by step. First, ensure you have these tools installed on your system. Once you've confirmed the installation, it's time to dive into the compilation process. Begin by extracting the source code to your appropriate directory. This ensures a clean and organized workspace. Now, to check if everything is set up correctly, run the following commands: flutter, version, and Java, version. If the output matches the required versions, you're good to go. However, if you encounter discrepancies, it's time to troubleshoot. Ensure Java and Flutter are correctly installed and configured on your system. With the prerequisites sorted, let's move on to the next phase. Open Android Studio and customize the app icon as desired. This step adds a personal touch to your project. Once the icon is set, navigate to the project directory using vscode. Here comes the final stretch. Run the necessary commands to build the app. With everything in place, you're now ready to compile your app source code efficiently. Remember, attention to detail and thorough preparation are key to a successful compilation process. Happy coding!